Hi everyone, I want to introduce our newest tool. It's the Nail Fox Nail Wrap Heater. It's a little mini heater, has a nice little stand that you can put on your table or desk when you're applying your nail wraps. It has an easy on-off switch. It's super quiet and the heat comes out on this end. It has a fan on the other side that sucks air in. It's the perfect temperature to warm up your area, warm up your wraps in the winter months. When you get them, you just have to hit them a little bit and it warms them up nice. Another example of how I use this tool is that when I have some opened old wraps, these have been open for probably about 2 years in the original silver case with the one end opened and not sealed. So what I do is that I turn the heater on, I get ready, and you can tell, you can see how old these are. They're really they're not sticky. They're kind of just not flexible anymore. So this is what it's perfect for. So you take it off, I just put it on the end of my finger, put it in front of the heater, and I heat both sides to activate the adhesive again. And you can see how much better, it's super flexible now. It stretches really easy and it's able to apply now. And if you have some chunky glitters, example like this set right here, they can sometimes be a little bit more difficult to apply. They're a little bit thicker, not as flexible. This is where the heater comes in really well again. And I just peel it off, activate both sides. Once it curls, you can tell it's done. And as you can see, it is now super easy, stretchy. Not that you would stretch it this much, but it's super stretchy and warm and ready to go. One last tip that's good for this heater is that once you have all the nail wraps applied and you see maybe in an hour or two or just even a couple of days later or something, you start to see like a little lift on the edges, or it just doesn't feel like it, it might be lifting up closer to your cuticle edge. I usually come back to this and I just give it about 15 seconds to heat up. Make sure you get the thumb and the rest of the nails about. And then I take my tool that I normally use and I will come back and I will go through and press down on all the edges again. Or if you like, you can just use your finger. Give it a good press all the way down. And what this does is the adhesive, it makes it very sticky again and it'll stick right back down. And you just give it I'd say 30 minutes and they are good to go. And you will see no lifting anymore. They'll be adhered perfectly. And it's a perfect finished manicure. Easy with this. This is a great tool for the winter months. It's also good for the summer months if you do use a lot of chunky glitters or thicker nail wraps. Or if you're somebody who likes to use your leftover nail wraps for accent nails, but they've been open for a while, this tool is perfect for that, to activate them and make them be just like they were the first time you opened them. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.